Hey there, it's Pete with GCI Turf. Hope you're having a great day today. As you can see right here, the shop office is coming in pretty dang good. The bluegrass is a little bit slow. The fescue, I've had some issues with it, and I think that come from a roller I used. But either way, it's all coming in pretty good, and it was time to give it a cut. So I'm real mowing the Kentucky bluegrass right here. And then the fescue and rye and the fescue bluegrass mix, I actually used a push mower and bagged the clippings the first time because it was pretty, for the most part, pretty good and thick and dense, especially the ryegrass. Ryegrass tends to germinate pretty quick, establish pretty quick, and thicken pretty quick. A little bit quicker than a typical fescue, but overall, the project's coming in pretty good. I'm pretty pleased, other than my little roller mess up there, but that's all good. Today I'm working on it to kind of get things back in order and do a little spot seeding and that kind of thing. So I've recently purchased a small manual push reel mower, and I'd have to say it's pretty addicting. It's kind of cool pushing that thing around the yard and watching the grass clippings fall off of it. So I actually ended up reel mowing the entire area at the shop. I haven't really nailed it down yet, but I'm telling you, there's something really, really fun and mesmerizing about reel mowing. It's so much fun that I just decided to go ahead and mow the whole thing with the reel mower. I got the bluegrass cut down on a 1/2 inch, and the rye and fescue is cut down to 1 inch. Now please remember, tall fescue is typically cut tall, hence the name. You've got to remember, this is my playground. I get the opportunity to test and try different things, different mowing heights, different fertilizers, different anything you can imagine. So there's no telling what you'll see me do. I really do love my job, and I have absolutely been blessed beyond measure to be able to get up every single day and go to work and do something that I absolutely love. So once I got it mowed, it was time to put out a little bit of seed. You can see I've got a few little bare spots here and there, and down toward the end I've got one really bad spot that just keeps washing out. So I took my rake, scratched it up for the 3rd time. The goal here is to redistribute that grass seed out a little bit, and of course I went back and put a little light dusting of grass seed on top of this. I did the same thing on all 4 different spots here. I put out a little bluegrass and a little more rye and just kind of touched up my bare areas. I never expect perfection out of a bare dirt renovation the first go round. It always takes a little extra work. This has been spoon fed once with 1801, and right here I'm putting down a 2277 HyrBrix fertilizer. I decided to cover this seed up with some peat moss for a couple of reasons. One, to help hold some moisture in because I don't have my irrigation set up no longer. And 2, maybe it'll help hold the seed in place if we get a heavy rain. This has really been a fun project, and it's going to allow me to show you different things over winter and next spring that deal with different cool season grass types. I cannot wait to mow this with a real deal, reel mower. I look forward to showing you that, and I appreciate you watching the video, and I'll check you later.